Okay guys, now let me talk about some tips for you to help your babies the best version of themselves. At this point, let me tell you that we also have our Prodigy programs where we give a lot of activities, lots of opportunities for your baby to discover their true talents, true potential. So if you have a baby who is below the age of 2 years, please do check out the link below where you can check out our programs and sign up for it, register for it, and we will tell you all about how you can raise a superstar baby in a step-by-step manner. Every day we give you a lot of activities for your baby to develop different kinds of abilities in reading, math, knowledge, physical abilities, creativity, music, personality and behavior, drama, art, all of those things. So if you're interested, do check out the link below. Now, let me tell you some tips on how to help your babies become the best version of themselves. So my first tip is along the theme of this episode, which is to give your babies opportunities in different activities which will stimulate and activate different parts of their brain, right? So give your baby opportunity in creativity, in math, in languages, in music, all of these things, right? You can do lots of activities and exercises. Of course, you can join our Prodigy program as well. But give your baby the opportunity so that they flourish and they are able to discover their potential and talents very early on in life, and then they can build on from there. Number 2, give your baby a lot of confidence. The number one reason why babies don't reach their milestones on time, like for example crawling or walking or even talking, is because they do not have the confidence that they have the ability to be able to crawl or to be able to walk or to be able to talk, right? So if you give them the confidence, show them that they have that ability, that you support them, encourage them in their task, in whatever they are trying to do, they will be much more likely to be able to do that task successfully. So that's number 2. Give your baby the confidence and they will give you the confidence back and perform the task that you are trying to get them to do. Number 3, no judgment. Do not judge your baby, okay? I know this might sound a little bit non-intuitive, but babies catch on to your gestures much more than what we catch on as adults, right? If you show any kind of disappointment, if you show any kind of judgment to what your baby is doing, they will become super conscious, even if you don't realize it. Your baby will catch on to how you are reacting far more than you are aware of. And if you judge, if you're critical, if you just show it on your face, your baby will be quick to realize it and they will be much more conscious in trying to do anything new in the future. So no judgment, do not be critical, accept your baby, all of their actions as it is, right? Accept them and let them explore, let them find their own way into the world, even though they are very little right now. Number 4, respect your baby's choices. Respect your baby's choices. What do we mean by that? Give your baby the freedom to choose. Let them choose their clothes, let them choose what they want to do, what kind of activity they want to do, what kind of foods they want to eat. When you allow them the freedom, they will be able to develop their own interests and their own talents and discover what they are really good at as well as what they are interested in. So respect their choices, but it does not mean that you will lead them to a path which is not good for them, right? So respect their choices, but of course, as a guardian, as a parent, you always want to steer your baby from wrong choices, right? So for example, when we say respect their choices in food, it doesn't mean that your baby is eating ice cream all day long, right? If they want to eat ice cream, you can present them with 2 alternative choices. If they've already had enough, you don't want them to have more ice cream, you can just present them with 2 alternative choices, maybe like a strawberry and an apple. Hey, you've already had so much ice cream, maybe you would like a strawberry or an apple, right? So you're still presenting them with 2 choices and they're free to choose, but you are steering them clear of the bad choice that you don't want them to go into. So respect their choices, but of course, do your duties as a parent, as a guardian as well. My tip number 5 is to trust your baby's skills. Trust your baby's skills. What does it mean? We as parents sometimes think that our babies are too small and they probably cannot do things that we are expecting them to do, right? But this is not true. Trust your baby and they will surprise you, right? So maybe you're not expecting them to start walking yet. They will surprise you. Maybe you're not expecting them to start talking or start singing or being able to paint or being able to draw a straight line or being able to draw a circle or being able to ride a bicycle. Trust them. Trust them even before you have that expectation yourself. Trust them that they will be able to do it, and more often than not, they will surprise you. So, yeah, trust them to be able to show off their skills to you. My last tip of the day, tip number 6, is expect to be surprised. What does this mean? Well, most of the time we expect our babies to not be able to do something just because we think that they are this cute little tiny thing and they are probably not able to do a lot of the things that we adults can. But expect to be surprised. When you're expecting to be surprised, when you're expecting those miracle moments, your baby is also knowing that you are expecting it, right? So they will try harder, they will show you the miracle moments, and it will just be pure joy when it happens. We've had so many parents share their miracle moments with us. We've experienced it ourselves with our own baby. We want all of you guys, all of you parents to expect to be surprised and to see those miracle moments. And when you expect that, you will find the miracle moments even in the most mundane of activities that your babies do. So those are my quick tips, guys, how to raise your baby so that they become the best version of themselves. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Please do let us know in the comment section below. Please let us know what you would like us to talk about in future episodes as well. We would love to see it. And do hit the like and the subscribe button if you would like to get notified about our future episodes as well. Now, let us move on to the next section where we will be talking to one of our very own super parents and learning about their parenting journey as well.